Today in Newsbreak, we'll hear about the upcoming weather forecast for the weekend. We'll also be taking a look at Fun Fact Friday. All this and more on this Friday, April 13th, 2018.
Good afternoon, SLHS. I'm Max Howerson.
I'm Coach Joe Duhan.
Let's take a look at today's top stories. The ACT test that was scheduled for this Saturday has been postponed. You'll be contacted when they have rescheduled it.
Seniors in Key Club wanting to earn the silver cord, please submit all service hours documentation to Ms. Duffy by May 2nd by the latest.
There will be a prom dress giveaway on April 14th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and again at 1:30 to 5:30 p.m. on the second floor of Grand Avenue Community Outreach, the Old Dream Center. Now let's take a look at today's weather.
Thanks guys, take a look at your weather for the weekend. We have a high of 37 and a low of 27 today. 100% chance of rain out there, might hear some thunder, lightning, see some lightning out there. And going into tomorrow, we are at a blizzard warning with a high of 30 and a low of 20, expecting 5 to 8 inches of snow. We'll see if that happens. And going into Sunday, we'll continue the snow trend with a high of 28 and a low of 16, expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow. And weather-related announcements, the track meet in Sioux City was canceled, as well as the soccer game tonight against Bishop Heelan in the Ames tournament for soccer. That's the weather. Back to you guys.
Now let's send it over to Fun Fact Friday with Graves.
Here are a few interesting facts for your day. Amelia Earhart and Eleanor Roosevelt once sneaked out of a White House event, commandeered an airplane, and went on a joyride to Baltimore. The 100 folds in a chef's hat are said to represent the 100 ways to cook an egg. The Journal of Applied Behavior published a paper titled The Unsuccessful Self-Treatment of a Self-Case of Writer's Block. It contained a total of 0 words. Queen Elizabeth is a trained mechanic, Sudoku is the act of acquiring books and not reading them, and Portland was named by a coin flip. Had the coin landed on the other way, the city would have been named Boston, Oregon. That is a look at your fun facts. Back to you guys.
Now let's take a look at the new satellite launched by NASA.
Next week, NASA is launching its new exoplanet Hunter, a satellite that will stare out at the cosmos, searching for never-before-seen worlds. Dubbed TESS, the spacecraft is tasked with looking for planets circling around stars outside of our solar system to help scientists figure out what these planets are made of and if any might be able to support life. TESS is launching on April 16th, just as NASA's old exoplanet Hunter is about to hang up its hat. The agency's Kepler spacecraft, which launched in 2009, will run out of fuel sometime in the next several months, but TESS has a different mission than its predecessor. Kepler's goal was to simply find as many exoplanets as possible. TESS is going to be pickier, searching for planets around the closest stars to Earth. These worlds will be much easier to study since their stars will be brighter. According to NASA, Sarah Seeger, a planetary scientist at MIT and deputy science director for TESS, says they're not going to be Earth-like. But what's so interesting is that we don't really know what we're going to find. Back to you guys.
That's all the time we have today, SLHS.
See you next time.